Let us solve this logarithm sum. Solve the equation giving your answer correct to three significant figures. They told you to solve, you need to find the value of x, okay, up to three significant figures, okay. Let us write the given equation first. Given equation is ln 1 plus x square is equal to 1 plus 2 ln x. We need to simplify to get the value of x, okay. Now how do we simplify? Whenever you see like this, we have a property of logarithm, that is, let us say ln of x square. X has got a power, this can come before the logarithm, so 2 ln x. And another example, let us say if we have ln of x power 5, this 5 will come before ln, resulting in 5 ln x. Here also the same thing. If it is 2 ln x, 2 can go as a power. If it is 5 ln x, 5 can go as a power over here. Same thing I will be applying here. This 2 will go as a power, resulting in 1 plus ln x power 2. Okay. Next, how do we simplify further? Now we should take all ln one side. To take all ln one side, this I will shift it to this side, resulting in ln 1 plus x square minus ln x square is equal to 1. Okay. Now, what property can I apply over here? In logarithms, another property, ln a minus ln b. What does it result in? It results in ln a by b. Okay. ln a minus ln b results in ln a by b. Apply that here. This entire thing is a. This is b. So ln a minus ln b will be ln a by b. So 1 plus x square by x square is equal to 1. Okay. Next step, how do we simplify? Means we remove this ln. How do we remove? Here the base is e. So we remove in this way. The bracket will remain on the same side, and on the other side it will become e power whatever is present on this side. So that is e power 1. This is how logarithms are removed. Arrow like this, this thing will remain on the same side, and e power whatever you have on this side, on the other side. Clear? See, let us say ln a is equal to x. To remove the logarithm in this way we remove. A will stay on this side and e power x on the other side. This is how we remove logarithms. Clear? Okay, let's continue. Now I need to find x, so make x the subject. To do that, we cross multiply. So 1 plus x square is equal to e power 1 into x square. Okay. To get x, make x the subject. For that, all x one side. So this shift to the other side. So e power x square minus x square. To make x the subject, take x square common. So what will it result in? Here e and here x square came out, nothing is present, so 1. So send the entire bracket to the other side. So 1 by e minus 1. Now send square to the other side. It will become square root of 1 by e minus 1. Okay. They are asking you to write up to 3 significant figures. So if you put this in the calculator, you get the answer to be 0.763 is the answer.